Welcome back. We're going to start with part 2. So as you can see, I got a nice thin layer of pulp on here. Yep. 3, 2, 1. And now it's over the drain. Next step is going to get all that pulp off my gloves. Get it on there, going to spread it out. See, now it's like really soggy, and if I picked it up, it would immediately just fall apart. So I'm not going to pick it up. But I have to get all that water out of there somehow. Where did this come from?
Mojang?
Yeah, they're the creators.
It came from the napkin.
So I'm going to grab a paper towel.
When they created villages,
My hands are not soaking wet.
it's like the exact same
My gloves are.
because the churches
Stick that on there.
the tallest building in town.
Carefully
But I don't
pick
see
that
these
up.
people down
This is going to soak up some majority of the water, the sogginess. So now it's still going to be soggy, but it's not going to be like soup anymore. It's going to be still kind of soggy. I can now pick it up, but it would not be a good idea.
You're not going to like what happened yesterday. I was watching the Cubs and the Marlins.
Because if I picked it up, you know what would happen? It would still be very, very fragile. So now, I'm going to get this. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Fill the water.
The paper's right now being made right in front of you. But once you get this, it's kind of like the paper, but it's just wet.
Yeah, so now, it's still kind of fragile. So I'm getting all that water out of there. Because the more water it is, it kind of makes sense. You know how mud's like really gloopy? Well, it's no longer gloopy like pudding. It's more like, after we put the paper towel on, it was kind of soggy. And now we're getting it more like, just like wet paper. That's what it's going to be like now. It's going to be like really wet. It's still going to be fragile though. But that's where it's going to get strong. But the thing is, you guys know, lint, you know what lint is? Well, lint is basically what comes off your clothes when it's in the dryer. And basically it comes off, so it's like really dusty stuff. And when you get it wet, it just makes it stronger. And once it dries up again, it's all bonded together. And that's what this process is doing. Right. Now, we're actually going to peel it off. This is the delicate part. And the very, very, very part that needs a lot of concentration. Get all the water off my gloves. So this is where my trusty knife comes in. Look at it, it's not dripping from the bottom anymore. Damn it. This is the delicate and very, very complicated part that I'd suggest you need an adult's help with, probably. If you're underneath my age.
He's 11.
Almost 12. Let's call him 12. I'm not almost 12. My birthday's in October, and it's August.
Yeah? It's about 3 months away. Yeah, it would be better off when
Still very fragile.
Why can't you use the
So
toilet?
I can't just like pick it up and like that because it just go.
Why couldn't you not use a toilet drum to take out all the water?
Because that would suck in the net too.
It would?
Yeah. It would probably stick to it and it'd be horrible.
Who knows?
Delicately place it on there like that.
And
Then the excess pulp we're going to put on there like that. Okay, move this out of the way.
it looks
This
like
out
a
of the way.
circle. He said, next, he gets out a roller.
So basically, once the
Ask
pulp
your
is in the net, every single you want to do